The psychology of concentration, techniques to stay focused in a distracted world. It's a noisy world out there. Here's how to master your focus and silence the distractions. Why did the brain get annoyed at the phone? Because it kept ringing up its attention span. Why focus matters. Concentration is key for productivity and creativity, helping us achieve tasks effectively. The role of dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical in our brain that affects motivation and focus. Common distractions, from phone notifications to environmental noise, identifying distractions is the first step. Pomodoro Technique. This popular technique uses timed intervals of focus, 25 minutes, with breaks in between. Mindfulness and Meditation. These practices train the brain to sustain attention and resist distractions. Creating a distraction-free workspace, minimizing visual clutter and noise can significantly boost concentration. Limiting multitasking. Focusing on one task at a time enhances performance and lowers stress. Using background music. Certain types of music, like classical or ambient, can help maintain focus. Cognitive load theory. Reducing unnecessary information helps the brain focus on the task at hand. Digital detoxes. Taking breaks from screens helps reduce digital fatigue and improve focus. Exercise and brain function. Physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain, improving focus and mental clarity. Setting clear goals. Defining objectives gives the brain a purpose, reducing wandering thoughts. Rewarding yourself. Celebrating small wins triggers dopamine, reinforcing the motivation to focus. Concentration is a skill that requires understanding the brain's needs and responding with techniques like mindfulness, structured routines, and workspace optimization. By managing distractions and rewarding ourselves, we can enhance focus in our busy lives. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.